Hey guys, it's Adam Vincent for ASD 1210. This is week 4. Everything was going well up until this week. You know, um, what went well for me this week was getting everything saved, being able to save, um, and being able to read. What didn't go so well was the U and the D. I can't edit it and I can't delete it as of right now. It's giving me some weird errors that's coming from the jQuery couch. I guess I'm just not calling things right. I did things a little differently. I couldn't get the um, original list view like Rick had done in the videos. I couldn't get that to come up. Like, it would show items being there, but I couldn't get the words or anything to show up. It would just be like a blank line, and I could see like several of them representing the data. So I went in and I changed things up a little bit um, with my little app. Um, Basically, I created different pages for each of these little chore types. So when you click on that, it'll go in and it'll display a chore, not just the chore name, the chore. Well, then I went in and I built in a this all code was actually using this week three's code for displaying the different for the different data. So got this, and then I built in a UL and created list items for my buttons here, which right now do not work, and I'm not going to try to break the code right now, so I'm just going to go back. So in theory, that's going to work correctly eventually, even if I just have to take all this back to local storage and just be able to use the search functions to be able to pull up through these pages. One way or another, I'm going to make this app work. I've spent too much time on it, and don't want to turn back. But I would like to really get this working in Couch, and just even if I have to go back and just re-go through the videos and try to do it a different way, then so be it. I'm going to try to do that later on. But for now, this is where I'm at. I couldn't get emulator to run right. It just kept hanging up and would just be extremely slow. So I went online and I found a little online emulator. As you can see, it's not, quite as sufficient, but you can kind of, let's see, it'll wait for it to reload. But going back and talking about what skills you need, it's really just taking some stuff back from SDI and trying to figure, learning different ways to do things, how to call different things, going on up into VFW, using some of those skills and trying to lay things out, and then of course MIU, using your usability, and then the jQuery calls. So you kind of, everything's been a stepping stone up until now. But anyway, it works on the Android as well. Pulls up, and there's that. Go back, you can go in here, you can add a chore, which it works. I'm just not going to do it right now. So, but anyway, that's it for me for week 4. See you guys in my message on a bottle. Good luck, guys.